Good morning. It is Michelle, also known as Geeky Girl, and it's Thursday, and I'm going yard sailing. Now, I'm running an errand really quick, going to the post office, dropping off some orders, and then there is a yard sale in Palm Desert. They didn't take pictures. They didn't really show what they're selling at all. And the only description is trinkets. I'm like, okay, so I have no idea what I'm going into. But the fact that it's on a Thursday, interesting. And it literally said in their ad, yes, this yard sale is Thursday and Friday. So I'm going to check it out today, because why not? I'm retired and I have time. And I'm bringing you guys along. So let's hope that they're good trinkets and priced for flipping. We'll see. Now, I don't mind paying up for an item if it's worth that to flip online. I'm trying not to keep the collectibles myself, which is, I don't have room for it. But let's go see what they have. And it's early yet. And let's go see what they have. That's the old sign. Does Palm Desert still do the old signs? Ooh, that's cool. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Does Palm Desert still do the garage sale signs?
Huh?
Does Palm Desert still do the garage sale signs?
No, you have to go in.
Okay.
Because you could do it online.
Because we used to be able to do that in La Quinta, but then they took it away.
You can go in and get it, but
Oh, that's cool.
it's just easier, I guess.
Yeah.
than them being like, "We have you."
Oh my gosh. It says it's over 120. That doesn't quite work. And the mercury inside must be broken. Oh, sorry, not mercury, but we got snowshoes. What? What in the world? That's cool.
It's a nice morning, huh?
Yeah, I know. And I'm newly retired, so I'm enjoying being able to come out on a Thursday and yard sale.
What?
Newly retired, so I'm able to come out on a Thursday to yard sale.
Oh,
It's
congratulations.
nice. Thanks.
I'm counting my days.
Yeah, I went a little early, but I don't, I haven't got my first pension check. It's going to be small. I might regret it then, but otherwise.
I was going to go at 62, but everybody was like talking to me about stuff and I'm like, oh, I can't.
Yeah. I was trying to make it to 60, but I didn't make it. I'm like, no. Oh, meat grinder.
So did you get that thing in the milk?
Those are in good condition. These are a little beat. Yeah, like those.
Here, you want to hold this? I'm going to turn this because we can't. Be careful, it's heavy.
Ooh. Oh, I see glass over here too. Oh, doggy.
They're gone crazy. Good morning.
Oh, have they made it inside yet?
What I do?
Doggy's like, rawr, rawr.
I brought my own coffee. Oh, you did?
Oh, hoop earrings. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Oh, sorry.
Honey?
Can you open it? Yeah. I never used it. Should be fun.
Is this also for sale? Everything in here? Oh, okay.
Oh.
I'm not sure if I want to see. Should I come in? It's cute. Oh my gosh, these This is crazy. Hi, puppy. Oh,
No barking.
oh my goodness.
Keep barking.
I want to acknowledge you. Oh, we got videos. How much are the boots? Those are cool looking. I'm not sure if they're the right size, but it doesn't matter. That's cool. Oh, gotta straighten that. No tarps. I'm like, what? That's a pretty set. That is a really pretty set. What, that's not anchor hopping. What is the, oh,
$2.
nice. What is the set, the glass set?
It's depression.
Depression glass, okay. I'm like, wow. It just reminds me of stuff that my mom and my grandmother had. They had like green, though, other colors.
It's pretty pink.
Yeah, it is.
It's Mary
It is. That is cool, though. You even have the salt and pepper shaker, which is crazy. Ah. If I had a place to store it. Little. Oh, that is cool. I'm tempted, but I don't have a place to put it, so let me get the boots. I actually have one, so I can do the exact change, I think. Hey, you said? Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. There we go. Thank you. And good luck. I'll probably regret not getting the depression glass, but that's all right. All right.
Well, I mean, maybe it's here tomorrow.
Yeah. Thanks.
Nice.
Yeah, they're nice boots.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Not too bad. Who, me? $8. Yeah, it was good. Get to polish them up a little bit and flip them online. They're Ariats, and they're not in bad condition. I need to polish them up a little bit, clean them up, and they'll be good to go. I haven't had much luck with Ariat boots, although I can't speak. Not books, boots. Although I know they can sell well. That's a really nice pair. That looks like men's. I've had a pair that I've had for years, and they're women's, and they just won't sell. These I think will after I clean them up and condition them a little bit. That's all I found. And do you guys, should I have gotten that depression glass? I don't know what the market's like. In fact, I might, after I say goodbye to you guys, I might look it up online really quick and see if there's any market and if $40 is a good investment or not, because that looked really pretty. But we'll see. What do you guys think? Did I miss anything? That's all I got for you today. Just a quick one, I think. I went back and I got it. I checked the comps online and it might be a long sell-through. You know, I might have to wait for the right buyer, but some of the pieces are really worth it. So $40 for the set. Yeah, I think I did okay. Now, hopefully I can get it home without it clinking against each other and cracking. Wish me luck.